the world of software development, writing code is easy. Writing great code, scalable, maintainable, and efficient is an art. Whether you're working on small applications or large-scale systems, you've likely faced challenges: messy code, duplicated logic, and rigid structures that are difficult to extend. This is where design patterns come in. Design patterns are proven solutions to recurring software problems. They provide structured ways to write cleaner, more adaptable, and reusable code. Think of them as blueprints used by expert developers to solve common challenges elegantly. In this series, we'll explore real-world applications of design patterns in C++. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding these patterns will level up your coding skills. Design patterns fall into three major categories. 1. Behavioral design patterns. These patterns focus on how objects interact and communicate with each other. They help in assigning responsibilities efficiently, making your code more flexible and maintainable. Examples of behavioral patterns are observer and strategy. Observer pattern used for event handling, for example, when one object needs to notify others about a change. Strategy pattern enables swapping algorithms on the fly without modifying existing code. 2. Creational design patterns. These patterns handle object creation efficiently, making your system independent of how objects are instantiated. Examples of creational patterns are singleton and factory. Singleton pattern ensures only one instance of a class exists. Factory pattern provides a flexible way to create objects without specifying exact classes. 3. Structural design patterns. These patterns focus on how objects and classes are composed to form larger structures while keeping the system flexible and maintainable. Examples of structural patterns are adapter and decorator. Adapter pattern helps incompatible interfaces work together. Decorator pattern dynamically adds behavior to objects without modifying their core logic. Now, here's the thing. Design patterns can feel abstract and hard to remember if they're not explained in a practical, intuitive way. Many books and tutorials present them in a dry, theoretical manner, making them difficult to retain. I found a better way: storytelling and real-world examples. By tying each pattern to a relatable scenario, you'll be able to visualize class relationships easily. If you ever forget a pattern, just recall the story, and the structure will come right back to you. If you want to write cleaner, more efficient, and more professional C++ code, this series is for you. One quick note: a basic understanding of UML, especially class diagrams, will help you follow along easily. I've created a short UML refresher playlist, so be sure to check that out before we dive in.